Welcome to OPENBOX Education. In this video, you will know about installing remote desktop connection in Raspberry Pi. Internet of Things. If you like this video, please share and subscribe.
Be informed. Be prepared. Be smart. Be safe. Be ready to fight COVID-19.
The remote desktop server is helpful for a user to take control of a remote computer through a network connection. To control Raspberry Pi remotely, this server can be used. Open the Raspberry Pi terminal by using mouse and keyboard, or by connecting via SSH. Use respconfig to install the remote desktop server. On the Pi, install a package. The package is shown in below. Search for a remote desktop connection for installing on a Windows PC, shown in Figure 5.18. By clicking on the option buttons, settings can be personalized, like resolution, or keyboard and audio settings. Enter the host name, or IP of the Raspberry Pi, or the DNS server, or the name of Pi, default, Raspberry Pi. If the PC is in the same network as the Pi, the login screen will appear. Find the IP address of Pi in the routers menu, if it is unknown, by opening 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. The internal IP of Pi will be in the format as follows: 192.168.x.x. XX. Search for a remote desktop connection for installing on a Windows PC, shown in Figure 5.18. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. OPENBOX Education.